Hello guys, I am Jiten Kumar Sharma from Let's MS Private Limited and today I am coming to guide you the further process of the binary MLM plan that is based on the EPIN. So in the previous video, I updated you regarding the pair commissions, that how the pair commissions distributed to the every one member. Okay, so based on the 2 is to 1, 1 is to 2, and the for the further pair commissions. So today I am going to guide you how the further processing will be happen with the binary MLM plan. So right now just I am going to the genealogy and I have created this genealogy for you. So we can consider the further steps after creating the some new users, but according to me that is not important right now because I have updated with the previous videos that the how the pair commissions consider and the how the label commissions consider label bonuses, pair commission and the direct referral commission. So the all things has been considered in the previous according to this genealogy whatever I have display here on the screen right now. So now I am going to update you the further processes that how the front end for the user display and what the informations is given there and how the withdrawal process happens. So now right now I am going to log in here. Suppose I am clicking here user 1 and I am logging as a user 1. Okay. So this is the basically the total earning of the user one, that is the 5240 INR, 5,240 rupees, and they have this user have the total 8 downline. So total left 4, total right 4. So I am just going to update you that how the dashboard display the informations. So this is the graphical representation of the transaction detail basically, the total withdrawal and the total earnings. So on the July of the month, the total earning 5240. Now this is representing like the left, right, paid or unpaid. So this is the direct referrals that is displaying here. So here is the 5 only on the direct referral displaying here. Okay, that is the latest. Here the total, my total earning, this one, charges ETCs is displaying here. The pair commission, the referral commission, the label commission. So this is the everything given here like the services charge, taxes, bonuses, label commissions, referral commission, ETCs. Here this is representing the recent registrations basically. So this is the recent registrations that can be same for the each and every user. So this is the detail about the dashboard. But right now I am going to the next step, that is the EPIN. So by this one process, you can request for the EPIN to us. We will assign your request EPIN in your account once your payment is confirmed. Okay. So this is the list of the packages here with the amount, that what the amount the package have. So suppose I am the member and I want to purchase some e-pins. Okay, so I will request to the admin to purchase the e-pin and I will make the payment by the net banking or by the cash to the admin. It will be the relationship between the user and the admin, does not matter for the online transactions, this is the only on the trustworthy process with each other, like the admin or the company member with user. So I am just requesting from here. So this is showing that the EPIN has been requested successfully. Now I am coming to the admin section, and here in the EPIN reports, you will see here the one new request has come. So EPIN requests, this is the assign EPIN. So whatever the EPIN will be available there, that will be assigned automatically to that member. So this EPIN has been assigned. If I will check here on the front end, so this EPIN already has come here, purchase. If the user does not have the purchase EPIN already, then here will be the use EPIN options will be, but this user already have the EPIN or the paid member, so that's why reason only on the transfer EPIN is option here. So this is the options like that one, the enter your downline name. So this is the basically to transfer the this EPIN to the downliners. Whatever the direct referral of yours, so you need to put here the name of that one guy or the member. So that will, it's mean that this EPIN will be assigned to him automatically. Okay. So this is the process to the transfer, and that member will log in and that member will use that EPIN to be paid member. Here the received EPINs. So this is the sections like the EPIN. Okay. This is the sections like the EPIN that who has been received. Suppose I received some EPINs, then definitely in this sections that EPIN will be displayed. So let me uh, give you an example to you. Just a moment. Sorry, here I don't have the another browser, so just a moment. I am just doing this one within the some seconds only on. Hopefully that will be fine. Just a moment. So suppose I am registering here under the user one. So let me check the genealogy first of all, whatever the genealogy is there. So just a minute. So I am registering under the user 8 as a parent, and the user one will be the sponsor of that new member. So just suppose, let me check the latest. What is the latest? 15, 15, 15, 15. Yeah. So I am checking here or user 16, user 16 at the rate test.com, user 16. Okay. So I am just user 1, user 1, I am having this one. Okay, I am not using the EPIN, and user 8 I am. Okay. Left side I register. So that has been registered successfully without the EPIN using. Okay. So this is the user 16. Now I am going to this one. Okay. And I am transferring, suppose as I log in here the my EPINs. So here are also no record, or here also no record for the user 16. But here I am putting in this one request user 16. As I click here, transfer successfully. So this EPIN actions here transfer, and now I am coming on this one and see. Yeah. This is the EPIN has come here. So this user can also transfer the EPIN, this EPIN to the other member, or this can use that EPIN. So this is the used pin. So automatically as this has been used pin, so everything has changed here. User status used and like this one. Okay. So so this is the like the transferring the epins. Now I am coming on the genealogy part. So this is the genealogy part. If you will check here, the everything you know about this one because I have already explained about this informations. So here and here and here, this is the everything. So if we will click, everything will come. User like whatever the user is there. So okay, if it will help, it will. So here you are seeing the right side and left side and whatever according to the blank space. Okay. So to registration by the self member. Okay. But that can be registered from the logged in user as a member, but that is not the point to us right now. I am coming on the payout detail. So here, this is the four types of the payouts. Four is the payout, 17 July, 17 July I did get, and 1200, 80, 50, 985, 1185, and 1785. Okay. So this is the basically about the payout list. Here the payer commissions, whatever the payer commissions the member has got, this is the informations about this one. What, why, which users this payment payout detail. Oh, sorry, payer commission get. Okay, with the date and with the amount and with the payout ID. This is the referral commission. So you know very well about the referral commissions from which user the user one is getting the commission. Okay. Now with the date, okay, with the payout ID. Same thing with the level commission. So level commission also here that which level commissions is getting to the whose member. So this is the basically by the child, by the user 3 child, user 4 child, user 5 child level commission. Okay. Here we did not show about the who is getting because whenever someone is logged in, then definitely that information is related to the that member, whatever the logged in member there. So here the bonus detail. So bonus detail, this is the 100, 200, and 300 as well. Because the user one is getting the bonus is based on the number of count the referral as we have already check about the bonus commission based on the direct referral. Okay. This is the about the payout detail. Now I am coming on the account information. So this is the account information, the user key, what is your user key, what is your sponsor key, what is your parent key, position, payment date, what the email ID, and these, how many downlines you have, how many referrals you have, the current balance you have. This is the bank detail basically. This is the bank detail. Without this bank detail filling information, the member could not request for the withdrawal the money anyhow. So that is the important part here. So suppose I am just putting here something detail like that. Okay. Yeah. Withdrawal amount. So here the withdrawal amount suppose, and there is the limit of the 1000 to the 10 lakh. So if I am putting here the 909, this one, what the informations I will get from here. Sorry, you enter the wrong amount, please check. If I am putting here the 1000, what will be? This will be process. This has been processed. So this is the basically initiated part, okay? And now, if I will check here the withdrawal records basically. So this is the user one, and 18th July, 1000 has been requested. So the admin will come here and choose the payment mode and transaction ID here, okay, and submit it here. So as it will be submitted, just a moment. Yeah. So this has been processed. Now if I will check here, the status will be changed processed. So it's mean that the admin has make the payment to the requested user this amount in his bank because the a member already have given the informations about the bank detail. Okay, so this is the part basically. And now I am I am just saying this one genealogy part. This is the basically genealogy of the user one, that all the information is given there. Okay, so as we have, so now this is the basically other things. So actually the everything is given here, like the 15 ePins has been uses, export the functionality of the ePins like this one. So if you will check here, used, not used, and everything given here, okay? So this is the basically part of user. So withdrawal process has been completed here. The registration it means that the new member can be registered by the existing member, because the existing member will be the sponsor directly of that one, and everything the member can select from here and give in the informations. So the normal things as the other way the user register normally using the ePIN, the same way will be processed here, only on the change will be the user one, like that the sponsor will be automatically selected here. That is the only on the difference between this one and the normal from the processes. Okay. So this is the basically join. So this is the options for that user that is not the member basically. That is the normal user of the WordPress. And if he wants to join the network, according to that, this process happens. So I will just update you regarding this one information as well. And this is the invitation. So you can invite to any user, like that the I am inviting the user 17 at the rate test.com. So this has been invited. So it's mean that I am already using the mail trap here. Okay. So the invitation on this email will be sent. So you just check. This is the all informations of all the emails that whatever we did, like the thanks for registration and the withdrawal requested just before some time we did that one. Okay, and this is the payment process like this one. Okay, so 4 minutes ago and the user 17, I hope the email initiated emails, yeah, that is the fine, but why this not showing here basically? I think access 44, 44 max size, this one, that should not be suffer anything. Mm, delete it, delete it, like this one. So user 17, but let me check why I did not get this one. User 17 test.com invited. Successfully sent. Yeah, I don't know what was the issue previously. So this is the invitations by the user one joining, and this is the joining link. So just a minute, I am just copying here. I am logging out from here, this one user, and I am opening this. So this is the basically joining, and the user 17 I am considering here. So user 17 at the rate trust.com, user 17 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, user 1. And if someone is purchasing from here, then I will use the EPIN from this one, but just a minute. And user 8 I am considering here. So automatically right side section. So this has been successfully registered by the right section of the user 1 under the user 8. That is the parents has been successfully registered. And if we will check here, everything has been generated like this one. So if you have any confusion or any doubt, please let me know. User 17 has come here. So this is the genealogy things. Now I am coming on the section of the join. Okay. So for the joining, basically, first of all, I am going to the settings of the WordPress, and anyone can register. This settings needs to uh, save. Okay. So I am just coming here and saving this one. Now I am going here part. If I will go here, the wp login.php, and this is the logout, and if I am coming here, wp login.php, okay, here the options will be like the registration. So I am just giving here the user 18 and user 18 at the rate test.com. This has been registered. Please check your email. So login page, here in the mail trap, the email will be received. Thank you for the registration part has come, and okay, that will be the something problem. Okay, okay. We will check this one. Basically, this should not come at the registration, so it is overlapping the registration part. But I will check this one, and will correct. No issue. But this is the suppose lost your password I am doing, and user 718 at the rate test.com. So email will be sent to the user. Could not be sent. The site may not correct configured to send email get supported. I think that due to reason of may be, but first of all, let me change the password from the admin of this one user. Does not matter about that. Okay, so this is the user 18. This one. I am changing the password here, like set password 1234566 to registration part. Okay, update user. Here I am logging by the user 18 123456. As I click here, this has come on this one. So BMP dashboard. I just click here. So directly it has come on the join page. So as I show you the previously that on this one, if I will click on this join us, so this is the giving the information because this has this user 16 has already, sorry, user 1 already joined or the member of the MLM, but this one user is not the member, MLM member basically. So I am putting here the user 1, okay. I am putting here the user 9, okay. Password 123456 and the left position and the EPIN. So if the EPIN has, so I am getting the EPIN from this one report. Okay. So this has been registered normally, okay, as a MLM member. So this is the about the informations that say how the binary process or binary MLM works, okay. So if you have any doubt or any confusion, please let me know. And if you need some more subscriptions from Let's CMS Private Limited regarding the MLM plans, please subscribe our channel so you will get the new videos notifications on the YouTube. Thank you for this one, and this is the final video. If you have any question, then please comment me on the comment box of the YouTube, and I will guide you regarding this one. Thank you.